Hey guys, it's a great evening and you're joining me for the Solar Sports and SMB Bar Tour here in Grilla along Calayan Avenue in Makati. I'm going to give you a beer drinking competition tonight. Join me inside. And we're here inside Grilla with a group of friends. Hi girls.
Hi.
You are?
Joanne.
Joanne and?
Lian.
Lian and?
Angel.
Angel and?
Marie.
Okay, they're joining us for the beer drinking competition. Mechanics for the game are very simple. We each give the ladies a pale pilsen and the winner is the one who finishes the pale pilsen first. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I'll count down to 3, okay? Hold na your pale pilsen. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3! Go, go, go! Uy, close fight ba ito? Wow, they're so mahingin. Okay, go, go. Okay, Leah wins first, followed by Joanne, and then Marie, and then Angel. Okay, ano yung beer na walang katulad?
San Miguel Beer!
San Miguel Beer. And for that, Leah wins a prize from San Miguel Beer. And second prize goes to Joanne. Thank you. And third prize goes to Marie. And last prize goes to Angel. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight here in Grilla. I'll see you next time in your favorite bars for the SMB and Solar Sports Bar Tour. This is Ayee Domingo. Bye!